So we're going to go ahead and put some on here. I am going to put my glue on here as well. And then I'm going to take it, flip it over, slight overlap, just like so. And then we're going to grab our next shim. I think I'm going to do this one. Same thing. I'm going to do 4, make it look like a 5 dice. And then I'll put the hot glue a little bit like this. It's going to have lots of glue on it. So I'm going to go ahead and glue the next one down. So I have it slightly overlapped by probably 1/4 of an inch.